when I was younger, I had this plan for my life. How none of that really came into being. It all the more brought me closer to God, knowing that He was there with me and I was never alone. And I feel like so much happens in that corner when I spend time with God in the morning, and I would just love to share that with you guys. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cymone, and I just wanted to start a channel where I could just talk to you about some of the things God reveals to me when I sit in my corner with Him in the morning. So I've got my morning tea ready. Hopefully you guys have your tea ready, and we'll just get together and just spend a little bit of time with God and just share what He's been revealing in your life. So I'm drinking ginger tea this morning. What are you guys drinking? Comment below and let me know what are some of your favorite teas, because I love tea, so I would really enjoy hearing about your tea preferences. So this morning, in my corner after Bible reading, I felt like, oh, God wanted me to pick up this book on my bookshelf, I Don't Wait Anymore by Grace Thornton, and it's just something that I've been just reading a chapter at a time. And what really struck me this morning was this quote saying, at every moment of the journey, not just the forks in the road, there's an opportunity, a chance to choose a normal, and there's a chance to choose a story. So often we don't even recognize that the choice is there. So that's on page 204 if you're interested in looking that up for yourself. And what struck me was that I realized that I'm someone that really enjoys the journey. Like when I was younger, I had this plan for my life, how like it was supposed to look like by the time I was 21. And basically, none of that really came into being. But what I found was that God was with me the whole time, and that He was actually answering the prayer of my heart, that I really wanted my life to be a journey with Him, where He would show me the world. Like basically He's my Aladdin and I'll be His Jasmine. That was my understanding of it as a kid, that He would show me the world from His point of view and His eyes. And looking back, like it's really been an adventure where He was really showing me how He operates in this world and all the wonderful things He's doing, and sometimes just really just having fun with Him, with my life and everything. And yeah, I just thought, how boring would my life have been if like life actually turned out the way I had planned for it to be, because I'm not a very creative person, I think. And so the plans I had for myself were pretty much just conventional, what everyone else was telling me like I should have my life to look like, or what society's expectations were about what life should look like. And that would have actually been pretty boring for my personality, because I think I have enjoyed the ups and downs of my life, although sometimes the downs were pretty terrifying. But it all the more brought me closer to God, knowing that He was there with me and I was never alone, and all that good stuff. Anyways, I hope that today's sharing was helpful for you in reflecting about, you know, what, looking back, what was your journey like, your whole life story? Were you whenever you're at the fork road, to ponder upon what are the choices you're making? Like are you someone that's prone to choose something that may be a good story for your overarching storytelling, or is it something that you're choosing what is normal and what is conventional? And I think either way is good, just depending on your personality. And so yeah, comment below and let me know why you choose the things you choose, and why that has been helpful for your growth and your journey and makes you more of who you are. If this is something that you guys have enjoyed, please click the like button and let me know, because I'm thinking of making more of these videos, just to, yeah, I feel like so much happens in that corner when I spend time with God in the morning, and I would just love to share that with you.